Alright, you guys, so this is probably the second part of the video where we got the blaster engine out of the quad. Now we're gonna start disassembling it. I bought a I bought a case splitter, flywheel puller, which I don't think we will need, but just in case. And then I got all my new gaskets here. And then we have the new side case somewhere over there. So now we're gonna start actually tearing it down and taking off all the parts to basically start fixing this broken piston and case. So that's what we're gonna start going to. Okay, so first thing we're gonna take off this piston. Oh shoot, it doesn't even look like it has the clips on this. Oh yeah, it does. Thought there was no clips. Oh! Whoa.
That shit hit me right in the chest.
Did it? It went flying up. Alright. Well, that's a goner.
You needed it or no?
No. Be alright. Alright, so there's that. This is what happened to it. Pretty much it broke right here. That's why we're gonna check all this out. So there's that little bearing right here. Now let's start taking off the Kickstarter on this side. Do that. Oh, we gotta take this off too. Let's loosen this. Damn. It's all like corroded. Obviously there's no oil in it. Oh, it's the hose for it. The guy said he deleted it. This is what he meant. All he did was cut the hoses. Not really deleting it, but okay. Oh, thank God, dude. Everything's been moved.
I mean, we worked on it already, so.
Yeah, I guess so, huh? Yeah, he said he rebuilt it 2 years ago, and then this happened. So then he just was gonna redo it again, but he didn't for whatever reason. And now we have it. So there's the oil pump. So there's that. Now let's take off this main cover here. Okay, so we were able to get the plate off. This looks pretty shredded on the clutch.
Sport clutch, man.
Yeah, it looks like this is pretty rusty. I don't know if there was water in here at one point, as well as here. Everything else looks pretty decent though. Just looks gunky, like it's been sitting for a while, which it probably has. Get this out.
Fucking grasshopper, dude.
It's still around here, huh?
She's fucking hopping everywhere.
He's watching us work, man. Watching us work.
Dude, I thought he said he kept those. He kept it inside
What?
the quad.
I know, huh? Look, I don't know what this is from.
The fuck? Yo.
Flywheel. Good thing we invested in this after seeing this corroded flywheel. And we literally ordered this last minute, like yesterday, and it came in today. Shout out to Amazon. Fast delivery service. And this one is a 27mm for those of you that don't know. So yeah, dude. Alright, so we were able to take out the little washers that was right here. I actually let the WD-40 sit a little bit, and I tried it with another flywheel that I have extra for the blaster. It looks like it's supposed to go in way more than it does right now. So that's what I'm going to try and do, and then I'm going to retry it because it's only grabbing like 2 or 3 threads. So it should actually go in a lot more. But with this being all corroded, I think it's having a little bit of trouble too. It's going in way more now. Okay, so now we're getting somewhere. Let's try to take it off.
She's coming right out. You want me to hold the...
Nah, okay. Oh, there we go. Finally, the struggle was real.
How the hell you got it off?
I think it got loosened a little bit. So there's that. Pain in the ass. There's that. Alright. Now let's take off the stator. I'm definitely going to do it with this too. Oh, thank God. I was worried.
You thought I wasn't worried?
So I'm literally just going to... Sorry, the camera died, but I didn't get very far anyway. I'm just greasing everything up. As you can see, it's real bad. Real bad in there. I guess while those are soaking, take out these. Oh, there you go. It wants to come out. Did you see it?
Yeah.
There we go. Jesus Christ. Jeez, look at that. I don't think this is gonna work. We sure didn't even put this back in. We're gonna need to buy a new one of these too.
And the other one doesn't have one or some shit?
I think so, but I don't know if it's better than this one.
It's probably better than that one, dude.
It's gotta be.
It's got to be. Look at the freaking, look at that. It's not as bad as this one.
No.
Might as well put that one back in here.
Yeah, that's true. Let me just try and keep everything together. Okay, so we're finally to the point where we need to get all this out.
Yep.
It's literally a bug probably right here. It looks like a...
Oh, what the fuck is that?
It looks like an ant with wings. I don't know. Mosquitoes are out here, you guys. It was a 10. Alright, you guys, so we're back in business. We did the other side, now we're gonna do this side. Start by taking off the clutch. Making sure that's loose. Oh, these are 8 millimeters. The center one's a 10. Make sure you don't lose any of this.
What's the point of loosening them all at the same time?
So it's loosened up evenly. Because you don't want one side to be loosened up way more than the other.
Would it break? Would it break something?
Yeah, because it's like, you know, just all...
Too much force on one side?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly, man. I'm just going to take it out like this. So I know exactly how to put it on.
Oh, there goes that. What is that?
Damn, is it supposed to be bent like that?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure, right?
I think so.
That's how you come out.
I'm just putting everything back.
Why does that one? Never mind.
Okay, now we're going to take out this bolt.
Go for it.
Looks like it's going to be like 19, maybe? Nope. 22? 22. 22 millimeter. Don't forget the washer. Oh, this washer is messed up. Look at this. I don't know if it's... Oh yeah, it might be. It's supposed to be like that. Basket. There's another washer. With another washer. There's a metal piece. Oh, and it has a certain way it's supposed to go. When this comes out, sorry, I got a bug in my hand. Oh yeah, and this I had already just taken off the spring here.
That bug's still on you, man.
Dude, I keep thinking this hits me, and I think I was thinking it was something too. Anyways, let's pull out the shifter. It's on there pretty damn tight. These, I believe, are all 22 millimeters. I think it goes 19 actually. It's got neat things everything. About to just spray it everywhere. Look at this one off. Bought some new snap ring pliers because the other $4 ones from Harbor Freight were crappy, so I got the better of the ones.
Yes, sir.
This one's with extra pins. So we can take off this one. That was nice and easy. I'm trying to dig out this one again. Damn. That's on there pretty damn tight. Oh no, dude. I see something even worse.
What happened?
The crank.
The crank is what?
A little bit.
No.
Yeah. Alright, let me see if I can get this shit off. Oh, thank God. Alright. There's that. There's this one. That one. The pin that goes to hold it right here. So there's a little pin and it has a slot, kind of like a woodruff key. And there's this one. It has like a washer, like type of lock thing. I don't know if it's just messed up. Let's see now. Yeah. Oh, it is coming off. Pretty sure. There we go. Dude, my hands are like so. So it had this washer that's kind of like a lock, but then the edges are lipped up. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be. I would think that just with this piece it'll be enough, but it's not. So this should slide out now. Alright, you guys, so this is as far as we got for tonight. It's pretty late, so we're gonna pick it up probably after we pick up the new quad in the morning, and then we gotta run an errand to Phoenix. After that we will probably finish this, and then I will do a video revealing the new quad that Erwin's picking up tomorrow. So yeah, the garage is full. I'll show you guys right now. This is where we're at. So with the TRX 250 with the carnage on the engine here, it's super bad, way worse than we thought. We're debating either to sell or repair, or basically just fix it however we can, cheap as possible. It'll be probably a total about like another what did I say, like $400?
400, yeah.
Yeah, it'd be like a total of $600 almost with buying the quad for $220 with the parts. We actually took out the TRX 250 for a ride earlier. I didn't get that on the GoPro or anything. We just wanted to go out for a quick ride. We thought something really bad happened actually, but it turns out it probably is just the exhaust hitting. The Polaris over here is still right here, and we are still working on it. We just need to fix the fuel lines. That is the issue, so that's that. And the blasters are both sitting back there. And then we still have the white LTZ, but it is in the backyard because, as you can see, the garage is pretty full and we barely have any room. But yeah, that's it for right now, you guys. We'll pick this up tomorrow on a new day so we can get this done. I'm planning on hopefully trying to get this done by tomorrow, so I have a good amount of time to work on it. After we get back from Phoenix, I have like probably like a good 4-5 hours of work on it, so I'm sure we can get it hopefully done. Hopefully we don't run into any issues and we can get it all done and put back together, and at least get it put back together. Maybe put it in the quad, but I highly doubt it. At least put it back together. And then today's Friday, so tomorrow's Saturday, so then Sunday hopefully we can put it back in the quad at least, have it running, and then maybe take it out for a spin hopefully, but we will see. But that's it for now, you guys. We'll pick this up tomorrow.